Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Muniana Badru, your go-to-tech savvy virtual assistant, providing administrative and social media support to business owners and content creators globally in different time zones. Have you ever found a post, a blog, and it's interesting to read and it's short and precise? So what makes some posts or some blogs readable and others non-readable? In this video, I'm going to be sharing you how to create scannable content that gets highly ranked on Google and drives traffic to your website or social media platform. So there are different types of posts: the short form content and the long form content posts. If you are a business owner or a content creator, you need to write scannable content that can be seen and read by your ideal clients. This means you have to use short sentences, bullet points, images, and short form content videos. Before I share with you how to write scannable content, I want you to know the importance of writing scannable content for social media. In today's digital world, people have a short span to pay attention to a lot of content that is being bombarded to them. So if your content is scannable, you're capturing your ideal client's attention. Scannable content is designed to capture people's attention, allowing them to grasp key points and take action. Google also favors scannable content, rewarding it with better ranking. So let's unlock the secrets to creating scannable content. Tip number 1, use engaging headlines and subheadings. Your headlines and subheadings play a vital role in grabbing attention and guiding readers through your content. So you have to craft attention-grabbing headlines that accurately represent your content and make it clear of what the reader will gain from it. Break your content into logical and informative sections with informative subheadings. 2. Write concise and clear paragraphs. Long and bulky paragraphs are intimidating for someone to read. Just aim for shorter paragraphs that convey information in a concise and clear manner. Use bullet points and numbered lists to present your information in a visually appealing format. 3. Use visual elements such as images, infographics, and short-form videos to engage your audience. 4. Use formatting options. Implement bold and italics to highlight key points and keywords in your content. Use proper line spacing and readable fonts. Bonus tip: format your content for mobile devices such as mobile phones, tablets. The highest percentage of people use their mobile phones to access social media platforms. So make sure your content is good and easy to read on a small screen. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, kindly subscribe. If you need more help with creating content for social media platform, book a free 15-minute discovery call with me. Link in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Bye.